So here's how to set up a VPN on Windows 11. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out Pure VPN for free. In this case, I'm using Windows 10, but it is the same process. Start by opening the browser on your PC and go to purevpn.com. Once you're in this page, go to the top panel and tap on Pricing. From here, you can choose your desired plan for Pure VPN. Now go back to the previous tab and tap on Login at the top right corner. Once you're logged in, go to the left panel and tap on Downloads. Here, tap on Download under Pure VPN for Windows. Then, choose the device where you want to download Pure VPN. And as you can see, you've successfully downloaded Pure VPN on your device. Once it has been downloaded, open the application. Then, tap on Login to fill in your details and log in to your account. Here, tap on Allow Access. You can now use the Pure VPN application from your device. And that's it. You can now easily set up a VPN on Windows 11.